Welcome everyone to our next online SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to define ledgers group in SAP. In this transaction, we are defining ledger groups. They are necessary when you want to do posting. Usually, we will not choose a particular ledger but instead a ledger group. You could assign one or several ledgers to a particular ledger group which could help you to do parallel posting at the same time. So let's try how to define the ledger group here. Go through the transaction code SIMG, press enter, financial posting here, financial accounting global settings, then go to ledgers here, under ledger, and here you can see the defined ledger group. Click it here. You can see it's already there, leading ledger 0L. Select this ledger and check the ledger assignment here. It's already assigned. So by this way you can define and assign the ledgers group in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.